दीदी हम जितनी शॉपकीपर्स लोग होते हैं दीदी, उन लोग भी अपनी मेहनत से दीदी पूरा दूर दूर से दीदी सारी चीजें लेके आते हैं। एंड दीदी वो जो फूड्स वगैरह होते हैं दीदी, उनको भी वो पैसा लग के दीदी लाना पड़ता है। सो दीदी अगर उनका उसमें भी दीदी जो शॉपकीपर्स होते हैं दीदी, उनका उसमें लॉस हो जाएगा। सो अभी पुअर पीपल लोग को तो दीदी अच्छा हो जाएगा कि हाँ उन लोगों को फ्री में पूरा फूड्स वगैरह मिल जाएगा, बट दीदी उन लोग का पूरा लॉस हो जाएगा शॉपकीपर लोग का। बिकॉज सब लोग दीदी अगर ज्यादा उन लोग को मिल जाएगी तो लोग चीजें पूरी वेस्ट भी करेंगे और उसकी वैल्यू बिल्कुल ही खत्म हो जाएगी, फूड की जो अभी वैल्यू है।
Guys, don't write points in like chat box. Your turn will come eventually. Yeah, Shidra can go. No, Shidra.
अगर हम लोग फ्री का फूड
Opposition side.
लगेंगे तो गवर्नमेंट का पूरा जो भी होएगा दूसरी चीजों के लिए, तो वो तो खत्म ही हो जाएगा। और भैया हम लोग अगर लिमिट से पहले हम लोग पैसा देके लेते थे चीजें, तो हम लिमिट से अगर हम लोग को फ्री में मिलेगी चीज तो हम ले लेंगे, और फिर जो मेहनत करते उन लोग को तो मिलेगा ही नहीं। और है हम लोग के देश में एक दिन में सारा इतना सारा खाना वेस्ट होता है, और फिर वो फिर होने लगा, इसलिए नहीं होना चाहिए फ्री फूड।
So from now, government side, who will go? Like Shakira has write her point in the chat box. Should I consider that?
Yeah.
Okay. So I will recite it like, yes, it is good because some poor people who do not have money and not food to eat, government help them in giving some money and some food so that they can live. That is the point of Shakira.
Okay, Shakira, that was a very good point. And do you want to explain further कि how does it help? मतलब आप खुद बोल के बताओ.
Shakira, can you on your mic?
Okay, so.
All right. So, yeah, the point was that the government has to help poor people, right? Monetarily, they have to help poor people to buy food grains and to buy stuff. So, if everything is free of cost, the government doesn't have to help them, right? Okay, then.
So there is a point of government also in chat from Varsha that my point is we will help to poor people and give a food to eat and give him some dress, home, family, child and money. Thank you.
I guess it is government help would not be required if everything is free of cost. The government side, to tackle your point that free of cost everything would be beneficial for poor people, the opposition side has come up and they have said that it will create a huge loss for shopkeepers, because if everything is free of cost for the customers, then who is going to pay the shopkeepers? And I hope that in the next point you have something to tackle this, but for now we'll take a point from the opposition.
Okay, so
Yes,
Aditi wants.
Yes, can I see Didi?
Yes.
So like in the government, everyone is saying it will be helpful for poor people and
for the child that they live on road. I can understand that will be unfair for the poor people, but I would like to say that if the poor people will also do some hard work and earn money, they will be more happy to eat that food by earning their own money. So I would not say to be everything to be free in the world.
Okay, that's a nice point. So we'll take a point for the government. Yes, Muzna.
Muzna, your term
Oh
will
no,
come
you
after
are
that.
opposition. We need someone from the government.
गवर्नमेंट कुछ
Okay,
बोलो, मुझना के
Abhinav,
पास पॉइंट्स
Abhinav.
हैं.
Okay, she's typing in the chat box.
No, don't type in the chat box. No.
No, let them
Quick.
type because they are having internet issues.
Okay, so we'll have Abhinav or Varsha or Talaha first.
Shakira has said some people eat and throw that and poor people eat. We can
Guys,
add that.
basically,
We can add that. However, your both the points have been about poor people. So the government side, if you can come up with some other points, like how. Okay, I'll give you a clue. All right, government side. Tazeen, aren't you
So
in
Talaha
government?
wants to present. No? Talaha, okay.
दीदी गवर्नमेंट को ये जो थिंग्स है उसको थोड़ा सस्ता करना चाहिए कि वो ये जिनके पास पैसा नहीं है उनके पास थोड़ा ही पैसा है वो सामान खरीद सके उनके जरूरत के लिए.
Isn't this against the motion? तलाहा हम बोल रहे हैं कि ये ऐसी एक दुनिया होनी चाहिए जहाँ पे सब फ्री हो, मतलब लोगों को कुछ पैसा ही नहीं देना पड़े. तो इसका एडवांटेज क्या है?
Okay, so he'll think. Till then, anybody else from the government? Tazeen, Shakira, Ayaz, Varsha, Abhinav.
गवर्नमेंट साइड रैप अप योर गेम. लाइक मुझना और शिद्रा के पास पॉइंट्स हैं, तो कोई तो बोलो.
Shakira has said that some people eat and throw and poor people eat that food. Okay, Varsha, you are from government. So you have said that Didi will open one free shop and give free food to people, right? So yeah, that is actually a good point. And that was the one clue that I was going to give you. Since now you have tackled it, who said Varsha? Okay, so you can write that free. We'll set up a free shop where free food will be provided to everyone. So yeah, I'll tell you what happened here. Okay, so the opposition said that the shopkeepers will suffer losses because they are giving everything out for free. And this is what I wanted the government side to tackle, where you came up and said that if everything is free of cost, then the shopkeepers will also receive everything for free, right? So how are they incurring losses? So I think this point was covered in Varsha's point, right? So good job, Varsha.
And Varsha, this is basically the point you raised is called a rebuttal. Matlab, the opposition made a statement and you prepared a counter statement for that. So this is a rebuttal and it was great. Okay. So we'll have opposition now. Okay, Muzna.
दीदी अगर जैसे दीदी अभी सब कुछ फ्री हो जाएगा दीदी, जो हम लोग को दीदी टोल वगैरह पे दीदी जो टैक्सेस लगते हैं, जो जिसका दीदी जो टैक्सेस होते हैं दीदी वो गवर्नमेंट के पास जाते हैं. सो दीदी वो टैक्सेस अगर दीदी उसके लिए भी दीदी कोई भी उसके लिए भी पे नहीं करेगा बिकॉज दीदी एवरीथिंग इज फ्री. सो दीदी गवर्नमेंट के लिए भी दीदी फिर टैक्सेस जो है दीदी हम लोग वो भी पे नहीं करेंगे. तो जो गवर्नमेंट को पैसा जाता है दीदी वो अब नहीं जा पाएगा दीदी गवर्नमेंट को दीदी, उससे फिर गवर्नमेंट भी हमें हेल्प नहीं कर पाएगी किसी भी तरीके से. जो दीदी साफ सफाई के लिए दीदी हम लोग गवर्नमेंट को बोलते हैं दीदी, कुछ भी अगर हम लोग को लाइट वगैरह का प्रॉब्लम होता है दीदी, उसके लिए भी हम लोग गवर्नमेंट को बोलते हैं। तो दीदी वो सब हेल्प भी गवर्नमेंट हम लोग को नहीं कर पाएगी।
Very
So
nice
to
point.
yeah. So I'll sum up your point, which is अगर हम everything is free of cost, we will not give taxes to the government. So government हमको मतलब public को help नहीं कर पाएगी. So it's the government is incurring losses in the form of taxes, and it is it is indirectly it's indirectly affecting the public sphere or public health. Public welfare, yeah. Okay, so government.
शबीन और शिद्रा आपको अभी बाद में पॉइंट देंगे हम जब ऑप्शन की बारी आई।
Till then, Shakira, Ayaz, anybody? Or Talaha, you thought of a point?
I remembered अभिनव पिछली बार अच्छे पॉइंट बोल रहा था, क्या हुआ? Ayaz, you can say something. गाइस अगर कोई नहीं बोलेगा तो फिर हमें वापस ऑपोजिशन पे आना पड़ेगा।
Okay, Talaha wants to say. And then Abhinav, okay.
दीदी हम लोग ऑफर भी दे सकते हैं, जैसे हमने वन चीज बाय करी तो उसके हम लोग एक और वो जो पीपल को जो वो रहेगी चीज की जरूरत वो थिंग उसको देंगे एक फ्री।
This is a scheme, right? Yeah, we can add that. Why not?
Okay, so Pooja, can you rephrase that statement?
We say that as per need basis, when someone is coming to get something, we'll give them a free thing of necessity for free.
Okay, so this was actually a rebuttal for the point that people will not value free things.
Right.
That's
Good
great.
job.
So should we take Abhinav or option C?
Let's have opposition first. Oh, sorry, the government first.
Okay, so Abhinav, you can also say.
दीदी अब जैसे मुस्ना ने बोला कि अभी टैक्सेस से तो अभी इस टाइम पे कोरोना है तो भैया तो फिर गवर्नमेंट कैसे हेल्प करेगी? अभी कोई शॉप भी चालू नहीं है तो दीदी सबका लॉस ही है, फिर दीदी गवर्नमेंट कैसे हेल्प कर रही है इसलिए दीदी।
Yeah. So अभी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है तो गवर्नमेंट का ज्यादा यहाँ पे काम नहीं है, तो हम टैक्सेस भी भर के लाइक गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट इनकरिंग लॉसेस बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट doing that much work because of lockdown, right? Yeah.
We can take Shidra.
Basically, can I take Abhinav point?
Yes.
Abhinav said because of corona, government is not helping us so much. But I would like to say, government is helping double from when there was no corona. दीदी जैसे आप देख रहे हैं अभी कोरोना है एंड लॉकडाउन है तो गवर्नमेंट को जैसे कि अभी वैक्सीन चाहिए तो वो उसके लिए हमको चाहिए मनी टू वैक्सीन का जो सामान है बनाने के लिए सब चाहिए तो ताकि कोरोना से जो पीपल लोग संक्रमित है उनको ठीक करने के लिए एंड हॉस्पिटल्स में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए एंड जो गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स है उसमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए एंड बेड्स चाहिए ऑक्सीजन चाहिए सब गवर्नमेंट ही कर रही है ना। So we need to have money. गवर्नमेंट के पास मनी टैक्सेस से आता है एंड अगर हम लोग सब फ्री कर देंगे तो गवर्नमेंट को टैक्स नहीं मिलेगा और फिर हम लोग की हेल्प नहीं हो पाएगी और हम लोग ये कोरोना में भी फंसे रहेंगे, आगे हमारी जिंदगी नहीं बढ़ पाएगी।
Right, that's a nice point. कि even if there's lockdown, even lockdown है या नहीं है, the government का काम is always there, right? So you rebutted government's का point, मतलब proposition side का point.
Now we can take Shidra, I guess, because she has raised hand for a long time.
अगर भैया हम लोग अगर पूरा गवर्नमेंट का पैसा ही उड़ा देंगे फ्री फूड में, और फिर अभी यहाँ पे तो इतनी सारी बीमारी भी है, कोरोना और ये टाइफाइड, गवर्नमेंट तो उसके अंदर भी पैसा दे रही है, और जो अभी हम लोग हेल्प करते हैं ठीक है, अगर और हम लोग को अगर इतनी ही हेल्प करनी है जो हम छीन रहे का घर, हम लोग फॉरेस्ट काट रहे हैं, तो वहाँ पे हम ऑर्फनेज पुअर लोग के लिए क्यों नहीं बना देते, वहाँ पे स्कूल क्यों नहीं बना देते?
Yes, that's a very good point. Pooja, can you rephrase that for me?
So basically what Shidra was saying is that when the government is giving everything out for free, there's like places, government is doing other things like cutting trees and, you know, all that things. And instead of that, we could actually use it to build schools and hospitals, right? Shidra? Yeah, Tazeen, you're in the government now. After this, it's your turn. By the way, why did we take 2 opposition points? Vibhor?
Actually, she has raised her hand for a long time.
Okay, we'll have Tazeen first. Okay, so he's from the government.
She.
Yes. So when someone is getting sick and we have an emergency to the hospital, so it takes money, and if I don't have money, so how can I get and they said that we need this and this money to means उसको देखने के लिए, and said so it is also helpful for the people who are sick to for her medicines and all treatment for them.
Yeah, that's a nice point. You rebutted opposition side ka point, right? So if everything is free of cost for people, especially people in need who don't have money to go to the hospital, so if everything is free of cost, it will be helpful for them, right? That's a nice point. You are tackling it very well, both the sides. You are like introducing your points, you are giving rebuttals. Very happy with it.
Yeah, so we'll take one more government, then the opposition.
Yeah,
so
one more government.
I asked.
हाँ दीदी, अगर ये सब फ्री हो जाएगा दुनिया में, तो हम लोग को कोई भी टेंशन रहेगा ही नहीं कि हम लोग को पैसा कमाना पड़ेगा, कुछ भी चीज रहेगी नहीं, तो फिर हम लोग को कोई भी टेंशन नहीं रहेगा, हम लोग कोई भी सामान ले पाएंगे। लेकिन ये रहेगा कि लेकिन दुकान वाले को तो कुछ मिलेगा ही नहीं, अगर हम लोग बीच में फ्री करेंगे ना, शुरुआत में से पूरा फ्री कर देंगे, तो फिर बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम होने वाली है, लेकिन आगे चल के सब सही हो जाएगा।
Your first half of the point was nice, but आप गवर्नमेंट में हो तो आपको बताना नहीं है कि ये बुरा क्यों है, तो आपका फर्स्ट पॉइंट अच्छा था। फर्स्ट पॉइंट था कि लोगों को टेंशन नहीं होगा काम करने का, मतलब लोगों को टेंशन नहीं होगा पैसों का कि इमरजेंसी में क्या होगा, तो इस तरह लोग वो कर सकते हैं जो उनको एक्चुअली पसंद है, राइट? ओके, so one opposition. Aditi, you are from opposition? Yeah, Aditi, go.
Okay, Didi, if like everyone was saying in the starting, poor people, I know some poor people are not educated, so they can work like there are many works in the world that we can do if we are not educated. So they can also earn money from that. So they will be not poor anymore, and they can buy that things they want.
Okay, so you're saying poor people who are not educated, there's also a lot of opportunities for them, and they can use that opportunities to earn money and not be poor. So can you connect it with the motion, Aditi?
Yes, दीदी. So like
Yeah.
सब फ्री कर देंगे तो जो कमाते हैं, जो एजुकेटेड हैं, उन्होंने एजुकेशन की है अपनी पूरी, एंड वो लोग कमा रहे हैं अपने पैसे से, सब कुछ ले रहे हैं अपने दम पर. सो लेकिन अगर हम लोग फ्री कर देंगे तो फिर उन लोग की एजुकेशन खराब जाएगी ना, तो हम लोग फ्री भी नहीं कर सकते और पुअर लोग पीपल की भी हेल्प कर सकते हैं, लाइक दिस.
ओके नाइस. सो एक और पॉइंट है इसका कंटिन्यूएशन में कि जो एजुकेटेड पीपल है उनके लिए डिसएडवांटेज है. All right. So government side, and very nice point. Anyone from the government?
Abhinav, Varsha, or
Actually, Didi, I think
Shakira.
Sabini is sharing for the government, but she is in the opposition.
Wait 1 second. Shabeen is in the opposition. In a world, all things are free because some poor have hungry and they have no money to eat. Have a child also. Yeah, okay. So Shabeen, since you have put in a point for the government, we can add it for the government, right? We'll add it for the government because in the end, point matters. I mean, you should come up with points for the opposition since you're in the opposition, but we'll add it to the government if there's no more government people. Abhinav, do you have any point? Okay, so
गाइस जस्ट नोटिस कि सिर्फ अपने पॉइंट्स बोलने पे ध्यान मत दो कि दूसरों को सुनो भी, कि दैट विल इंक्रीज योर एरिया एंड योर लेवल ऑफ थिंकिंग. कि तुम देखो कि सामने वाला भी क्या कैसे सोच रहा है और ये पॉइंट आ सकता था दैट यू हैव नॉट थॉट, तो वो भी देखो.
Plus, it would also help you in rebutting the arguments or asking the POIs. उससे भी point मिलेंगे ना, you'll get points for your team. So, okay, what was the point, Pooja?
children, they can earn or they can get everything for free, I guess. You can phrase it like that. No one will go hungry. No poor people, no poor children would go hungry. Okay, so last point from the opposition. Muznas, I can see you.
Didi, can Rehan go because he hadn't shared points from the starting?
Okay, go.
दीदी अगर हर चीज फ्री हो जाए, दीदी कोई भी दीदी डॉक्टर टीचर दीदी कोई भी जो इंसान रहेगा दीदी वो काम नहीं करेगा. दीदी फार्मर्स जो दीदी बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करते दीदी ताकि उन लोग के घर में दीदी फूड आ सके, तो दीदी उन लोग भी अपना काम बंद कर देंगे. बिकॉज दीदी उन लोग बोलेंगे कि हम लोग को जब फ्री में हम लोग को पूरा राशन वगैरह मिल रहा है तो हम लोग क्यों काम करें. एंड दीदी व्हेन दे विल स्टॉप we can't दीदी have दीदी अनाज जो होता है दीदी हम लोग को वो नहीं मिलेगा दीदी, अगर भाजी वगैरह दीदी कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा दीदी अगर फार्मर्स अगर काम नहीं करेंगे दीदी, बिकॉज दीदी उन लोग को भी फ्री में वो सब चीज मिलेगी जो हमें मिलेगी.
So मतलब जो मेहनती लोग हैं जो काम कर रहे हैं, who earn to get money or to buy and sell, उनको अगर कुछ मनी नहीं मिल रहा उनके काम के लिए तो they get like very sad, right? Yeah, okay, that's a nice point. Rehan, are you in government or opposition?
Okay. Didi, Rehan opposition.
Okay, so what? We only have 8 minutes left, right? So if there is a point from the government, we can take a point from the opposition too.
Actually,
Alright.
we can do one thing like जिसके पास point है वो ले सकते हैं.
Okay, ठीक है, we'll do that.
Like from if Rehan had a point. Rehan, do you want to speak?
Yeah,
You
ठीक है.
can come up after Shidra, okay? First Shidra can speak.
Yeah, Shidra, go.
ये last chance
दीदी
है
अगर
सबकी.
हम लोग सबके पास अगर पैसा सब आरसीबी बन जाएंगे और दीदी गवर्नमेंट का पैसा भी प्लस खत्म होते जाएगा, फिर गवर्नमेंट हमारे इन्वायरमेंट के लिए भी नहीं कर पाएगी। और दीदी हम लोग है ना सिर्फ जो ज्यादा जिनको ज्यादा जरूरत है हम उन्हीं के लिए फ्री फूड रख सकते हैं।
Okay, then Shabin, do you have any point? Shabin?
Yes, भैया मुझे ऑपोजिशन बोलना है।
Yeah.
जो जैसे कि हमें अगेंस्ट बोलना है ना।
Anything, what point do you have?
यस, मुझे लगता है कि दुनिया में सब फ्री होना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर जो पूरा पीपल रहते हैं उनके चाइल्ड होते हैं तो उन्हें जब हमें स्कूल जाते हैं, स्कूल ऐसे बैग पे गिर जाते हैं तो लोग देखते हैं, लोग को लगता होगा कि हमें भी पढ़ना है, स्कूल हमें भी आना चाहिए इंग्लिश, तो लोग को लगता होगा कि हमें भी पढ़ना है पर हमें पास पैसा नहीं है। तो मुझे लगता है कि सब स्कूल में और सब जगह सब फ्री होना चाहिए।
That's a nice point, yeah. So, children who do not have access to school, they'll get access to school and there's no barrier, money barrier for it. Yeah, nice point.
So ये सबकी last chance है तो Mujna can go and then Tazeen can go.
दीदी जो इतने दूर दूर जाके दीदी जिन लोग ने डिग्रियां हासिल की है दीदी, जैसे लंदन, अमेरिका, तो दीदी उन लोग ने जो दीदी इतने दूर जाके पढ़ाई करने में दीदी उन लोग का जो पैसा वेस्ट किया दीदी, एनर्जी वगैरह दीदी, उनकी जो मेहनत है दीदी वो सब वेस्ट हो जाएगी। बिकॉज दीदी हर चीज फ्री हो जाएगी दीदी, उन लोग की डॉक्टर या फिर टीचर रहने की दीदी कुछ भी दीदी उन लोग की वैल्यू नहीं रह जाएगी उतनी, बिकॉज दीदी हर चीज फ्री है तो किसी को भी दीदी उन लोग की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, बिकॉज दीदी स्कूल वगैरह सब फ्री हो जाएगा उस दीदी।
Okay, nice point.
Okay, yeah, nice. Tazeen?
Tazeen.
Yeah. So the degree will not waste. We can teach some more kids that who are small from us. We can teach them if we have more knowledge and if we have so many degrees like all things. We can also take a free kit free, because we don't teach for money. We teach for help, like government not help. Government helps because they don't help from money. They helps us for the world, that world becomes more stronger. We have a
Okay, so Tazeen, your point was great and it was a great rebuttal that people who do, like, who are teachers, who are doctors, the main motive is the public good, not the money, right? And it adds, like, it like brings another point, which is that if people have the money to go to London, if people have the money to go abroad and study, not getting money through the customers won't affect them as much. So, okay, one last point from the opposition, and then we'll close the session, okay?
So Aditi, like you can take
Actually,
it.
I want to answer Tazin's answer.
Okay.
So, Didi, like Tazin said, that okay, they can teach the poor people in free, but I would say that who are the doctors, teachers, and anything. So they go in that profession to get money. So if they will do some everything in free, so how will they get money and how will they get food? If they will not have money, they can't have food, they can't have anything. So they will also become poor. So we don't, if we do everything in the world free, so everyone will be poor then.
Okay, Aditi, we consider your point, but Muzna, do you have anything to add to that? Yeah.
दीदी दीदी हर चीज फ्री हो जाएगी दीदी। अभी कोरोना का दीदी पैंडेमिक का टाइम चल रहा है दीदी, अगर डॉक्टर्स को भी दीदी हर चीज फ्री मिलेगी दीदी, और लोग भी नहीं आएंगे अपनी जॉब पे दीदी, और लोग भी अपने ही घर पे बैठेंगे, बोलेंगे कि हम लोग भी फिर सेफ हैं। जब हम लोग को पैसा मिल रहा है, जब हम लोग को हर चीज फ्री है, तो हम लोग क्यों जाए फिर जॉब पे पैसे कमाने? हम लोग अपना घर पे सेफ रहेंगे।
Okay, yeah, that's a nice point. That if doctors, yeah, we have talked about, मतलब government ने बोला है कि doctors and teachers क्यों काम करते हैं? They work because of social good, right? They work because they want, मतलब money है one thing, but एक और चीज है कि they want to improve the social life of people, right? So now you're saying that during the time of Corona, where it's such a dangerous place outside, right? So why would doctors go out and risk when they are getting everything for free? We can consider that point, yeah. Wait, is it uneven or Lakshita, you haven't added opposition ka point?
I added it in the professionals point
Okay.
because we have many more points from them, right? So Tazeen, Aditi, and Muzna still want to add.
So just take like one more. Talha, you want to say something?
Yes. I want to say Mikla Didi, can you send this photo on group?
I'll send.
Okay, so Tazeen, you want to present a point?
Actually, Tazeen is for government, na?
Like final points, concluding points from both the sides.
Yeah. Yeah, so someone said that doctors don't come and say that if we don't have money, so why we should come? So we have one option also, like exchange. Before, where there is no money, there are things that exchange. Like someone help us one time, so I will help us or give us something to appreciate and to like to help that they help us. The exchange of offer that this before where there is no money, we can use it now also.
That's a nice point. You're talking about the barter system, right? When currency wasn't invented, this is how people, the market existed like this.
Yes.
So yeah, that's a nice point. And it could have come up earlier. Yeah, but okay, nonetheless.
दीदी, I cannot understand what she has tell.
Bolo.
Yes, Muzna, you had a point.
No, दीदी, what she has tell now, दीदी, जब भी उन्होंने बोला कि कुछ उन्होंने अपने पॉइंट शेयर किए, दीदी, I can't understand.
Okay, so basically Aditi mentioned out that instead of giving everything for free, we can do one thing like
सॉरी दीदी, मैंने नहीं वो पॉइंट शेयर किया. I think
I share it.
Tazeen. Okay, sorry.
Tazi.
Yeah, sorry. Tazeen mentioned that instead of making everything for free, we can do a barter system. Barter system was the one when the currency wasn't invented, where people used to do things for each other. Like if I had oranges and you had apples, and I wanted apples and you wanted orange, then we'll exchange it with each other, right? So that is the thing we can do in this world as well. Like if you are a doctor and I am a farmer, I'll give you crops and you can treat me in exchange. Okay.
So Varsha, this meeting will end in 2 minutes. If no one has any more points to add, if it's okay, we'll just take a photo and end the session. Okay. You have come up with so many points. Wow, almost an entire page has been filled. And honestly, I didn't expect that you guys would come up with like so many points. And even what I could see from today's debate was that if the government side or if the opposition side was like coming up with arguments, you made it a point to rebut it, which was really good. And your points, matlab, both the sides के points were amazing. And yeah, well done.
Yes. Okay. So is everybody done with their points? किसी के पास कोई भी point हो, anything?
Great debate, guys. Really.
So okay, I'll stop sharing.
Okay, so